To use QuickBooks for taxes, start by setting up your company file and ensuring all financial data is up to date. This includes income, expenses, and any payroll information. Next, navigate to the tax section of QuickBooks, where you can access the tax preparation tools. Here you can review your company's tax liability and prepare for tax filing. QuickBooks allows you to generate tax reports, such as the income statement and balance sheet, which are essential for tax preparation. You can also use the tax calculator to estimate your tax liability and make any necessary adjustments. One key concept to understand is the importance of accurate accounting and record keeping. This ensures that your tax calculations are correct and you are taking advantage of all eligible deductions. For example, if you have business use of your home, you can calculate the deduction using QuickBooks. To do this, track your home expenses, such as mortgage interest and utilities, and allocate the business use percentage. QuickBooks will then calculate the deduction, which you can claim on your tax return. Another important concept is the distinction between business and personal expenses. It is crucial to separate these expenses to ensure accurate tax reporting. QuickBooks allows you to categorize expenses as business or personal, making it easier to track and report on these expenses. When preparing your tax return, you can use QuickBooks to generate the necessary tax forms, such as the 1040 and Schedule C. These forms will be populated with the financial data from your QuickBooks file, making it easier to complete your tax return. Best practices for using QuickBooks for taxes include regularly reviewing and reconciling your financial data, accurately tracking business expenses, and seeking professional advice if needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can use QuickBooks to streamline your tax preparation and ensure accurate and efficient tax filing. Additionally, consider consulting with a tax professional or accountant to ensure you are taking advantage of all eligible tax deductions and credits.